guys, Playful Learning here. Today we have a story with Peppa Pig. Hi George! Hi Peppa! It's a special day today. It is? What day is it? You don't know? No, I don't know, George. Aww. George, wait! George, what day is it? Oh dear. Mom! Yes, Peppa? George said it was a special day today, but I don't know what day it is. What day is it, Mommy? Oh, I'm so glad you asked because I need you to do something for me. Really? Okay. It's George's birthday. His birthday? Yes. Could you take him to the park so I could surprise him with a special treat when he gets home? Sure, Mom. That sounds like lots of fun. But don't say anything about it being his birthday. It's a surprise. Okay, Mom, I can do that. George! Yeah, Peppa? Do you remember what day it is? No. But Mom said we could go to the park. Do you want to go ride the merry-go-round? Sure, that sounds like fun. Let's go! I'm coming! Why doesn't she remember it's my birthday? Come on, George, this is gonna be so much fun! I'm coming! I can't wait to ride! Yeah, me too! Let's spin around in a circle! Round and round and round we go. Round and round, round and round, round and round and round we go. Round and round, round and round. That was fun, Peppa, but I'm ready to go back home. Oh no, George, we have to ride the slide. Oh, okay. I like slides. Where is it? Oh, I hope I can find the slide. Mama surely needs more time to get the house ready. That was fun, Peppa, but I'm ready to go home. Okay, yeah, I think we can go home now. What do you mean you think we can go home? I mean, yeah, let's go home, George. Think we can go home? Is Mommy doing something special at home? I don't know. Let's go find out. Maybe she's got something ready for my birthday. Wow, look at all the lights and all of the presents. This is perfect for George's birthday. Wow, look at the lights and look at all the presents. This must be for my birthday. It's a birthday party. This is just to celebrate your birthday, George. Daddy's away on the business trip, so we're celebrating early without him. But when he gets back, we'll have a bigger party for you. Why don't you take a look at your gifts? Ooh, look, it's a fire truck. I love fire trucks. Look at the birthday bow. Oh, so fun. Oh, it's really nice. What else is over there? Look, there's a Lightning McQueen. That has a bow too. It must be for me. Look, it's a penguin from Madagascar. Aw, I love penguins, but not as much as my dragon. I wonder what's inside it. Let me open it to find out. It's super hard to get inside this giant egg. I love the yummy chocolate. Let's see what's inside. Wow, look! It's a monster machine. I can hold it in my hands. I love it. That was nice presents and great decorations, but we're missing something. Don't worry, George. I'm pretty sure it's on the way. You didn't think I was going to forget the birthday cake with the birthday candles, did you? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear George. Happy birthday to you. Now make a wish and blow out your candles. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Playful Learning for more fun videos.